my channel. My name is Ishika and today's video is going to be a Myntra shopping haul video, and in this video I have got amazing tops and bottoms for you all. So you must definitely watch this video till the end, and without any more further ado, let's directly jump into the video. So this is the first parcel and let's see what is in here. And मैंने पहले ही सारे tops देख लिए हैं, tops and bottoms. So let's see. Okay, so this one my mom really loved. Like I have never got such tops, so this is a new one for me also. This is a strapless top and this is asymmetrical from the bottom, as you can see. So this is by the brand Tokyo and Talkies, and by now if you are following me from beginning, you definitely know that I have been purchasing Tokyo Talkies top from Myntra. They are super pretty. So this is also from Tokyo and Talkies and it is in the size S. And see, in what prices I got the product, it doesn't mean that you will also get the same price. It might be that I might have paid the higher price, now it might be in discount. So it just depends upon the brand about the pricing, but the price in which I got this product is 263 rupees and it is in the size small. This is the back side of the top. It is a burgundy color top, to be specific about. There are many color options, like 2 more color options in this top. Back side is just normal straight. There is no such design going on in the back side, but the main thing of this top is the front. It has got such tie-up detailing and this type of a design is going in trend, so you can definitely give it a shot if you are comfortable with strapless top. And if you are not comfortable with strapless top, you can definitely go with a camisole inside. It might seem that this part is elastic, but no, it is stitched and you cannot really adjust this section. And this is so soft. The material is polyester if I am not wrong, and I'm really loving it considering the price point of view. Now moving on to the next top. Okay, so this is one of my favorite tops. Let me show you. This is a very summer appropriate top. I am just in love as soon as I receive this top. Let me just figure out how it should be. Okay, this is a tie-up kind of a top, as you can see. It has got a V-neck and it is in the color off-white, and it has got very beautiful orange and yellow color print going on all over the top, as you can see in the front, in the back, and it is super comfortable. It is also in the material polyester and also in the size S. And this top, when you wear it now in this summer, you will not feel like you have wore anything. It is so comfortable. I'm really not kidding. It is super comfortable, and as you can see in the video, I have paired it up with that black color skirt and it was looking just pretty. You can even wear it with normal jeans. It will even look pretty with jeans. So dressing up is just totally about perspective. So that's totally up to you, but this top in general is looking so pretty. Coming to the price point of view, I got it in 349 rupees and this top is just worth every penny. You can definitely give it a shot if you love vibrant kind of a top, and if you are going for any vacation of sorts, give it a shot definitely. Okay, so the next top is this top that I am wearing, and this is so pretty and I just love green now. When I wore this top, I definitely never thought that I will love the color green, but this top has changed my mind and I'm just loving the color. Okay, so now talking about this top, this is also a strapless top, but let me be frank, this is a bit loose for me. I have just put safety pin over both of the sides because it doesn't fit, it just falls off. And so if you are a person whose body type is just like me, go for extra small. I would suggest that. It is in the size small. So generally my size is small, so I thought that even this top will fit in small, but no, it doesn't fit me. For me, I guess extra small would be the correct option. I would definitely exchange this top for the extra small one, but for now, talking about this top, it just looks so pretty. It has got a marble kind of an effect going on all over the top. As you can see, it is not proper green top. Okay, so it has got a bit of yellow, gray, blue, dark green, light green, every sort of color if I can be precise. So now this top over what is looking in the frame, it's looking pretty, okay, but The bottom has got a V shape. It has got a lining inside as the top is net and it is very sheer. So the bottom as well as the whole top looks super pretty according to me, and I am just loving this top so much. And I have paired it up with a black skirt as you have seen in the clips attached. Let me show you the skirt. I'm just wearing it right now. It is super comfortable. You can just wear it very comfortably because it has got an effect of a skirt, but actually it is a short, so it is super comfortable. It's a skirt and this is how it looks from the front, but actually it is a shirt, so it is super comfortable. And as you can see in the clips attached properly how the skirt is, it looks super pretty with all the tops. I have paired the black color skirt with 4 different tops, and all the tops are of different colors, but the skirt is looking absolutely beautiful with all the colors. So if you are looking for a good skirt, I would suggest go for black color skirt because it goes with almost all the outfits. The price at which I got this skirt is 749 rupees. I have checked the Myntra website now. It is still the same and I have got it in the size 28. So if you are a girl like me, you can definitely go with the 28 size. I guess I forgot to mention the price of this top. So when I got this top, it was 559 rupees. I got this top at that much amount. Now when I'm checking it on Myntra, it is just for 415 rupees. So if you are interested in this top, you should definitely get it now because the price may fluctuate and later on it might be even increase than 559. So don't waste time and grab this top ASAP because this is going to go out of stock really soon. So now let's move on to the next top. Okay, so this is the next top. Let me show you. This is also in the color green. It is kind of a neon green. So this is the top and this is also in the size small, and it has got a tie-up thingy in the back and it looks super pretty when you wear this top. It looks super pretty from the front as well as from the back, and it has got such beautiful frills going on in the sleeves which looks super amazing when you wear it. And this top is super cropped, so if you are not comfortable with crop top, should not go with this. But one thing I would definitely say that this top will work as a blouse. Okay, this top will look so pretty if you pair it up with a pink color sari or white color sari or any kind of sari which is green. It will look so pretty. So this top is very versatile. Coming to the price of this top, it is for 349 rupees and the material is polyester and it will go so pretty with pink color skirt. And talking about that, let me show the next item. This is the next product and this is a pink color skirt, but this skirt is little different from the previous one according to the style. So that previous skirt also had a zip thingy, okay, in the side. I forgot to show that part. And this skirt is little different. It has only one extra cloth in above and it has got 2 pockets in the back, but these pockets are just for show off. It is not practical and you cannot really put anything because it is properly stitched. So talking about the brand of this skirt, it is by the brand Zastra. Even the previous one was the same, and this is also in the size 28 and it fits so beautifully, and it is also for 749 rupees. And this along with this top looks so pretty. Even you can pair this skirt with this green color top, or like you will see in the video, I have paired with 3 different tops and it looks super beautiful with all the 3 tops. So I would definitely suggest this skirt also because it looks beautiful. Okay, this is a very beautiful pink color top. Just look at the neck of this top. It will look so pretty, and if you are not comfortable wearing like such tops, you can definitely wear a shirt or denim over it. It will look super amazing because the neck design will be visible, yet you'll be comfortable wearing a shirt or a denim. I just love this top overall because you can see a wavy kind of a design which is really trending now. I was searching for such kind of a top or dress from so long, and finally I found such tops on Myntra. I was so happy. Okay, now coming to the size of this top, it is in the size small. but it is that bit tight for me, so I have to go with the medium size top again. Coming to the price of this top, it was for 350 rupees. I guess it is super amazing deal considering the price. I really love the neck design, the material of the top. It is just a 10 on 10 product, and I will definitely suggest this top also. I'll be providing the links of all the products in the description box below, so do not forget to check the description box. The next top is also in the similar pattern, and this is a white color top, but this top is halter neck top, and it is also got similar pattern as the pink one, but in the pink one it was going in the horizontal pattern, but here in this white one it is vertical. It is the back side of the top, it is normal straight fit, and this is the front side. It is super stylish, this top, and if you pair it up with the black skirt or pink skirt, it will look super beautiful. It is also in the size S, and the price is 349 rupees, and the material is polyester. Now coming to the last product of this haul. Okay, so this top is really different and really pretty from like everything that I've showed you till now. This is also a string top. You have to tie it up, and the back side is normal. You have a zip thing also in the side, as you can see here, and the quality of the zip is also super good. Now for understanding this top, you have to see the clips that I will attach. This top has got a very beautiful ribbon in the front side, and it is so big that it covers the front section fully, and it looks super pretty. It fits me so beautifully and looks also so pretty. Like if you wear this top, everybody will look at you like it is so pretty. I am just in love with this top. The material of this top is satin, and it has got a lining so that you will not feel hot in summers, and this top looks so pretty. I am just loving this top, and if you know the price of this top, you will be shocked. You know, this is just for 449 rupees. Can you imagine? This beautiful pretty ribbon type of a top is just for 449. This is a steal deal, I must say. It is in the size small. And with this we come to the end of this Myntra shopping haul video. Apart from the matter that the tops are little tight, I love everything about all of these tops and skirts, and you will be seeing me wearing these tops and skirts in the upcoming videos because I just love everything that I've purchased, and so I've shared everything with you also. And if you want the links of these tops and skirts, you need to check the description box below. If you have watched this video till now, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and do comment in the comment section below. And yes, चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye.